Cats scratching furniture, even when they have access to a scratching post, is a common yet perplexing behavior that many cat owners struggle to understand. While it might seem like a cat is simply being difficult or destructive, scratching is actually a natural, instinctual behavior that serves multiple important purposes for felines. It is not simply a matter of satisfying a need for a sharp object to scratch against, rather, scratching is deeply tied to a cat's physical and emotional well-being, their territorial instincts, and their social structure. To fully understand why cats scratch furniture despite having an alternative scratching post, it is necessary to explore the multifaceted reasons behind this behavior. At its core, scratching is a natural feline behavior that serves several essential functions, from keeping claws healthy to marking territory. Cats have retractable claws that need regular maintenance to stay sharp and functional. Scratching helps to file down the claws, removing the old, worn-out layers and allowing new, sharper ones to emerge. This is important for the cat's ability to hunt, climb, and defend itself, even in a domestic setting where hunting is not necessary. If a cat's claws are not maintained through scratching, they may become overgrown or suffer from issues such as painful ingrown nails. Scratching also plays a crucial role in a cat's territorial marking. Cats have scent glands located in their paws. And when they scratch a surface, they leave behind both a physical mark in the form of claw imprints and a chemical scent marking that is invisible to humans but highly detectable to other cats. This scent is produced by specialized glands in the cat's paws and serves as a territorial signal to other felines. By scratching furniture or other surfaces around the home, a cat is essentially saying, "This is my space." This territorial marking behavior is particularly important in multi-cat households or in areas where outdoor cats roam. Even when a cat has access to a scratching post, it may continue to scratch furniture because it views the furniture as part of its territory. Cats are creatures of habit. And they often choose to scratch the same objects repeatedly. If a cat has already established a pattern of scratching a piece of furniture, it may continue to do so because the area has become familiar and associated with its scent. Changing this behavior can take time, especially if the cat has a long history of scratching particular spots. The furniture might be more appealing to scratch than the designated post due to its location, texture, or the way the cat has claimed it. The choice of furniture over a scratching post can also be influenced by the texture of the material. Cats tend to prefer scratching certain surfaces over others based on their natural instincts. Soft fabrics, such as upholstery or carpets, often provide a satisfying resistance when scratched, and the act of scratching these materials may feel more rewarding to the cat. On the other hand, scratching posts are sometimes made from materials that do not provide the same tactile satisfaction as a favorite chair or sofa. Cats may be more likely to scratch surfaces that offer them the right combination of texture and resistance, making furniture an appealing option even when a scratching post is available. Another reason cats may continue scratching furniture, despite having a scratching post, is related to their individual preferences and habits. Not all cats have the same scratching needs, and some may prefer certain types of objects over others. A scratching post may not meet all of a cat's preferences, whether it is too short, too tall, or made of a material that does not suit the cat's scratching style. Cats may also have particular preferences for the angle at which they scratch. For example, some cats prefer to scratch vertically, while others prefer to scratch horizontally. If the scratching post is not positioned in a way that accommodates the cat's natural inclination, the cat may seek out furniture as a more convenient option. Stress, anxiety, and frustration can also contribute to increased scratching behavior. Cats are sensitive creatures, and any changes to their environment, such as a move to a new home, the introduction of a new pet, or changes in their routine, can lead to heightened anxiety. Scratching is a self-soothing behavior that helps cats cope with stress, much like how humans might fidget or engage in other repetitive behaviors when anxious. If a cat feels unsettled or stressed, it may resort to scratching furniture as a way to comfort itself and relieve tension. This behavior can be exacerbated if the cat is not receiving enough mental or physical stimulation through play, enrichment, or interaction with its owner. In multi-cat households, competition for territory can also lead to increased scratching behavior. Cats use scent to communicate with each other, and when there are multiple cats in the home, they often engage in territorial marking through scratching. A cat may scratch furniture not only to mark its own territory but also to assert dominance or to communicate with other cats in the household. This can be especially true if a new cat has been introduced to the home, as the resident cat may feel the need to reinforce its claim on the space by scratching even more frequently. Moreover, cats may scratch furniture out of a sense of boredom. Indoor cats that lack sufficient opportunities for physical and mental stimulation may engage in destructive behaviors, including excessive scratching, as a way to pass the time. A lack of interactive play, climbing opportunities, or variety in the environment can lead to frustration. And scratching provides a way for the cat to release pent-up energy. In such cases, providing more toys, climbing structures, and regular playtime can help alleviate the need to scratch furniture. The placement and quality of the scratching post can also influence whether a cat will use it consistently. A scratching post that is not positioned in an accessible or desirable location may not attract the cat's attention. Cats tend to prefer scratching posts that are located near where they spend the most time, such as in living areas or close to their resting spots. A post placed in a secluded corner or an area that the cat does not frequent is less likely to be used. Additionally, scratching posts that are too flimsy or unstable may not provide the necessary support that a cat needs when scratching. A cat may be more inclined to scratch furniture because it offers a more stable surface. To reduce the likelihood of a cat scratching furniture, it is important for cat owners to provide a variety of suitable scratching options. Offering scratching posts of different textures, sizes, and shapes can help cater to the cat's preferences. Posts made from sisal, carpet, or cardboard offer different sensations, and providing both horizontal and vertical options can allow the cat to scratch in the manner that feels most natural to it. Ensuring that the scratching post is placed in a prominent, easily accessible location is also crucial. In some cases, owners may need to use deterrents to prevent scratching of furniture. Covering the furniture with protective materials, such as slipcovers, double-sided tape, or furniture protectors, can discourage a cat from scratching. In addition, feline pheromone diffusers or sprays can be used to create a calming atmosphere in the home and reduce stress-related scratching. It is also important to ensure that the cat is receiving enough mental and physical stimulation, as a well-exercised cat is less likely to engage in destructive behaviors like furniture scratching. Scratching is a natural and essential behavior for cats, serving functions such as claw maintenance, territorial marking, and stress relief. Even when a scratching post is available, cats may continue to scratch furniture because it feels satisfying, provides a stable surface, or has already been marked as part of their territory. By understanding the reasons behind this behavior and providing suitable scratching alternatives, cat owners can help reduce the likelihood of furniture damage while still allowing their cats to fulfill their natural instincts. Through patience, environmental enrichment, and proper training, owners can guide their cats toward more appropriate scratching behaviors and create a harmonious living environment for everyone.